Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the INBDE step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which includes 500 questions over 2 days. Next, develop a personalized study schedule, allocating sufficient time for each subject. Finally, collect all necessary study materials, such as textbooks, notes, and question banks, to ensure comprehensive coverage. This foundational work is crucial for a successful study journey. For effective preparation, concentrate on high-yield areas, which constitute a significant portion of the exam. Engage with a robust question bank, aiming to complete at least 2,500 practice questions. This helps you understand question styles and identify knowledge gaps. Additionally, revisit foundational dental sciences to solidify your understanding of core concepts. These resources are vital for building a strong knowledge base. To maximize your learning, employ active recall by testing yourself frequently and use spaced repetition to revisit topics over time. Take full-length practice exams under timed conditions to build stamina and manage time effectively. After each practice session, meticulously review every question, especially those you answered incorrectly, to understand the reasoning and fill knowledge gaps. This approach significantly enhances your understanding. In the final days, focus on rest and nutrition to ensure peak performance. Avoid cramming new material. Instead, review key concepts. On exam day, arrive at least 30 minutes early to account for check-in procedures. During the exam, read each question carefully and allocate your time strategically across the 450 questions. Stay calm and trust your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.